Understanding Dam Repairs, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a fascinating English phrase, dam repairs. This phrase might sound simple, but it's packed with meaning and context. Understanding phrases like these can really help in grasping the English language better, especially when they involve specific terminology. So, let's get started. Dam repairs is a compound noun made up of two words, dam and repairs. Let's look at each word individually. Dam. This is a structure, usually large and made of concrete, earth, or stone, built across a river or a stream to restrict water flow. Dams are used for water storage, preventing floods, and generating electricity. Repairs. This refers to the act of fixing something that is broken or damaged. It involves activities to restore something to a good condition. When we put these words together, dam repairs refers to the activities involved in fixing or maintaining a dam. This might include fixing cracks or leaks in the dam structure, updating the mechanical parts of the dam, like gates or valves, strengthening the dam to prevent future damage. Understanding this phrase requires knowledge of both the individual words and the context in which they are used. To better understand dam repairs, let's see it in some sentences. 1. The government allocated funds for dam repairs to ensure the safety of the towns downstream. 2. Due to dam repairs, the nearby residents were advised to avoid the area for safety reasons. 3. The engineers completed the dam repairs ahead of the rainy season to prevent flooding. These sentences show how the phrase can be used in different contexts. I hope this explanation helps you understand the phrase, dam repairs, better. It's a great example of how English combines words to create specific meanings, especially in technical or specialized fields. Keep learning and exploring, and you'll find that English is full of interesting phrases just like this one. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.